Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my quarantine vlog. Basically, everyone is on lockdown. Well, not really everybody, but with this pandemic going around with the coronavirus, everyone's been ushered to stay home, not go out, literally do nothing in their house. So I thought, what better time to start the vlogs again? I literally just woke up not too long ago. I have the greasiest hair ever, but I'm trying to train my hair, so I'm not gonna wash it. I washed it literally 2 days ago. And this is what we're working with. But I'm in my washroom, my new little bathroom, and I thought I would show you guys my little skincare routine because I just have so much skincare that I thought it would be fun to kind of show you guys what I use. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse my skin. I'm going to get my face washes just in the shower, so just give me a sec. These are the two face washes that I've been using, kind of like interchanging them. This one's the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. It's a daily exfoliating cleanser. It literally is so great. It's full of AHAs and pumpkin, papaya, and pineapple enzymes. So it basically just like eats away at the dead skin, so your skin is glowy. It's almost done, but I have a backup. And then this is the Ulla Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Orange fruit water and PHAs are in this. So it's a gentle cleanser. It's like not as exfoliating as this one, but it's really great to get all of your makeup off. And I think I'm gonna use this one today because it's the morning and it's very refreshing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just put a little bit on my hand and wash it off. So I don't have any makeup on right now, but this is really, really good to take all of your makeup off. It's gentle, doesn't dry out the skin. It smells so good. Also, I'm kind of crazy. I don't use a face cloth all the time. Usually to like take off my makeup I will, but for this video, I'm not using one. Whew. Okay, so now that that is fresh, I'm just gonna dab off the water. See, very clean. My skin feels like actually like hydrated. It doesn't feel dry or tight, which is awesome. So today we're gonna focus on like our morning skincare. So usually the products that I will use include like a vitamin C, a serum, a day cream, and then a night, or like a, sorry, not a night cream, what am I talking about? An eye cream. So first I'm gonna go in, because my skin's been a little bit dry, I'm gonna use this hydrating toner. It's the Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. It's alcohol free, it's good for all skin types, and it's really, really milky. So I don't have any cotton rounds, so I literally just put a little bit in my hand like that, and then I just pat it into the skin. It smells very light, but it helps to plump, hydrate. If you're really dry, something like this would be nice. Toners also really help the pH balance of your skin, so that's always good. So I'll just apply that all over. You can bring some down to your neck as well. Oh my god, I can't stop looking at like how crazy I look. Like, what is happening right now? This is like a ponytail of its own. But what are you gonna do? So let that dry a little bit. It's also like very fresh when you do this. It feels good. So next I'm gonna go in with the Drunk Elephant C Firma. This is amazing. Vitamin C, if you guys are not already using one, it's literally life-changing. If you want to like get rid of hyperpigmentation or dullness, scarring or anything, it's like your brightener, lightener, and tightener of your skincare. So it literally does all of that. So I'm just gonna put one pump. Now this is a Clean at Sephora brand, so they don't have any like added fragrances, so it doesn't really smell the best, honestly. Most vitamin C's, when you think of them, they smell like orange and they just are like really fresh, but this one, because it's so natural, actually doesn't have a fragrance. So it smells a bit like burnt plastic, I'm not gonna lie. I don't love it, but It's great. It's 15% L-ascorbic acid, which is your vitamin C. And there's also pumpkin extract in there, which kind of helps, I feel like, to like eat away at the skin as well, because we love a glowy, dewy skin. Okay, so now that's done. It's a little bit tacky, but that's normal, so don't worry about that. And then I'm going in with a serum, the B Hydra Intensive from Drunk Elephant. This one has pineapple ceramides, and ceramides basically help to like lock in the moisture in your skin, so that you don't lose it throughout the day. It's good to be mixed with any of their like other serums or creams. Just like 1 pump. We'll do 2. So it's a great additive that you can put into your skincare. So I'm gonna put that all over my face as well. It's so light and so like smooth. I love it so much. I'm gonna need to get some more because I feel like I'm running out. But love it. Just pat it all over. Okay, almost done. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. It's an avocado formula. It's real thick. Gone through quite a bit of this, but literally the smallest amount. See that? I just put it in here. You could use this as a daytime or a nighttime. I love how like nourishing it is. So during the winter months when it was real dry, oh yeah, that's a lot. When it was super dry and you got like little cakies under your eye, this is perfect for that. And then the key is to, don't mind my ratchet ass fingers, but the key is to pat the eye area. It's a very delicate skin area, and if you pull and tug, you're gonna be more inclined to have premature lines, wrinkles, and all that stuff. So we are not trying to get that today. Okay, and now going with my daytime cream. This is the Confidence in a Cream from IT Cosmetics. It is literally amazing. It's good for all skin types. It helps protect the moisture barrier, so like nothing bad is getting in there. Everything's good, keeping it strong. It's also an anti-aging armor is what they call it. It's a beautiful consistency. Ooh, nice and thick. It has an anti-aging serum in it, which is awesome. So it helps plump the skin. There's hyaluronic acid for hydration. Ceramides, I'm pretty sure as well. I think there's also oatmeal in here too, but oh, it's so beautiful. So I'm putting this all over. Pat, pat, pat. It's really hard not to like rub it everywhere and try to pat in the skin, but that's the best. And then 2 more steps. I love to finish off with the mist. So this one is the Glow Recipe Ultra Fine Mist. It's watermelon and it's so freaking good, honestly. You give it a good shake. There's apple cider vinegar in here that helps to tone and detoxify. Hibiscus, watermelon, literally all the good things. And it's a fine mist, so just spray it. Oh, I love this, honestly. I've had it for like 6 months and I am obsessed. And then we can't forget about our lips. So I'm going in with the Older Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask formula. They recently relaunched all their stuff, so they have a new formula with this, but I love this one. So I'll put that on. And that is it. So now my skin is all nice and dewy. Look at that glow. Look at that glow, let me tell you. So yeah, my plan for the day, honestly, not really sure what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, my skin looks like glass. But I have an oil going in my bedroom. I'm gonna open up the window. Oh dear Lord. It is a full snowstorm out there right now. I can't handle it. But my skin though, look at how beautiful it looks. Don't mind my greasy hair. We're working with it, okay? But yeah, so I'm probably just going to, oh yeah, this is my room, by the way, my living room. I'm gonna do a full apartment tour like soon once I have all my photos up. I tried to put some up yesterday and I'm using command strips and I didn't put enough on a couple of the photos, so they fell. One of them broke, but that's okay. I'm salvaging like the middle part so that I can still like tape it or something up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna finish that today and then I can probably do a little apartment tour, hopefully in this vlog. All right, everyone, the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm going to do a quick little apartment tour. Keep in mind, it's not done. There's like so many other things that I want to do, but I literally moved in like 2 weeks ago, I think. So this is what we're working with so far. So I will give you guys the grand tour. Okay, so this is what you see when you enter. Basically, I have my door. I need to get like an actual nice foot shoe rack. All my coats and jackets in my bag. There's the little windowsill area, little seating area. I just put up my photos yesterday. This is my, oh my god, my outfit. Is it Christmas time? Well, it actually has been snowing like crazy, so I'm gonna say yeah. This is just my little mirror that I have set up so I can take a look at myself before I leave the house. Then we have some furniture. This wall here is like pretty bare, so I want to do like a black and white photo wall with like black frames of all family and friends and stuff, like a little gallery wall. And then eventually I want to get a nice big cozy rug and a coffee table, but this is doing it for now. Also this little teal thing I want to put branches in with fairy lights because it's super cute. And then this is it. I'm utilizing all of my like memory boxes as little like end tables because I don't have any. Then we have my TV, amazing. I'm like so stoked because I have cable. I haven't had cable in like 5 years, so I have my cable and my Apple TV there. I have my, oh my god, I literally was just about to call this a jukebox. This is a record player with some of my records in there. I do want to get more records, but my Google Home is what I usually use all the time. It's usually in my bedroom because I listen to white noise at night. But for the purpose of this video and like cleaning and stuff, I've been cleaning the apartment, I just wanted it in the living room. So then this is a little hallway. It's kind of bare right now, but my vibe is I want to get one of those acrylic, really tall, like thin, width-wise end tables or like coffee tables or whatever, so I can put this up on it and then have like fresh flowers or just something cute. So then we go into my bedroom. This is it here. I love the flooring in this apartment, it's so nice. So yeah, this is it. It's kind of hard to like get a good view, but I have my makeup vanity, my bed. This room's just like really basic. I do have this photo that I had put up here with command strips, but it literally fell. So I need to revisit and maybe put more than that. And then behind the door, ooh, I just have a nice mirror. I want to put this up also. It's a cute picture that my mom got me. So I'm gonna put that up. Then I have a big closet, so let's go inside. So many clothes. So many clothes that I literally had to get one of these things to put like my gym clothes, or sorry, no, not my gym clothes. My gym clothes are all up here with sweaters, bathing suits, gym clothes. And then I have my jeans, PJs, and like miscellaneous pants, all my jewelry, miscellaneous clothes. This is my bridesmaid's dress for my beautiful cousin's wedding. Very exciting. We're going to Mexico for that. And then this is my makeup vanity. It's really dirty, really messy. This is actually like an antique piece that I bought off of my stepmom. It's very cute. And then I have just all of my palettes and like eyeshadow stuff in there. Pretty basic. Then we're gonna move on into this cute little hallway to my kitchen and bathroom. So it's very white, very bright, really love it. It's super cute and tiny. I think it's perfect just for me. Like, I know that's not really a whole lot of counter space, but I am gonna get one of those like movable islands from like IKEA or something, and then just keep it in this area because it's like pretty large. I could fit a table, but honestly, I just eat on the couch. And then I also put this sign up yesterday because I want to get a bar cart right here and then put the island here, and that way I can like move it in the center if I need. This actually was framed, but I put it up again yesterday with command hooks and it literally fell on the ground and broke. So I just taped it. I think it's cute. It's whatever. So this is my kitchen.
also preparing for the apocalypse, so I literally have like wine everywhere. Super cute. I don't actually have any drawers, as you can see, so I've utilized these two little utensil holders, which I think is super cute. Lots of cupboard space, pretty decent sized fridge. My laundry, I don't have laundry in this unit, so I've been going to the laundromat, and I'm also just gonna like bring it to my parents' house because why not? And then here, I actually, oh my god, I can't even talk. I actually don't have a closet for like linens and stuff, so I'm gonna just get like a 2-door like armoire, what they call it, and then use that for like my towels, cleaning supplies, miscellaneous items, and whatnot. And then my bathroom is right here. It's super cute. I just put this photo up yesterday as well. It's a little slanted as I'm seeing, but we'll fix that. So yeah, pretty basic washroom. Love that. The shower, it's like the perfect bathtub. I love it. All my girly stuff. I have this beautiful bath little cradle thing. I don't really know what to call it, but it's very cute. I got some essentials. I have a lot of counter space. I just deep cleaned it, so it's nice and fresh and clean, but lots of storage. Then this is literally my favorite part. Look. Ta-da! All of my skincare. If you guys want to see like an in-depth skincare haul, let me know. I have so much stuff, obviously, because I work at Sephora and I am obsessed. But yeah, and then I just have my perfumes and my deodorant. And here I have all of my hair supplies and my bath bombs. And then in here, just like extra stuff. I actually have to clean my makeup brushes because I haven't done that in forever. But all of my products, love them all. And then in here, I have just a ton of storage as well. So I just have like hair care, tampons, obviously, this little bath pillow, a ton of extra bags, shower cap, self-tan pins, all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty stocked. Oh my god. This is my water heater, so it's not storage or anything, just for water. And on the back I have all my fun towels. So yeah, this is my bathroom, this is my kitchen. It's a pretty dope apartment. It's like a main level, so I walk out and like my car is right there. But like down here, I think it's because like the house is built on a slant. I have like a window like that, which makes it seem like a basement. But it really is not. It's beautiful. I get a lot of like natural light in here during the day. See if I turn the light out. It's just cozy. I love it. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys liked it. So yeah, that is my apartment tour. I'm hoping to like get more things slowly and fill it and like make it very homey and whatnot, but I really like it. It's my first apartment with just me in it, so I'm very proud. Independent woman, you know, whatever. But yeah, for the rest of the day, honestly not really sure what I'm gonna do. It's snowing out. I wanted to go outside for a walk. I don't even know if you guys can see. But yeah, it's snowy. But I might just clean my brushes. I deep clean the bathroom. Maybe watch Netflix or Crave. I've been watching The Hills New Beginnings, which is like really good. If you guys ever watched the original Hills, this is like the new reboot. That's very good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little apartment tour. Let me know if you guys want to see any other kind of videos. I'm off work for 3 weeks because of the coronavirus, so I have a lot of time on my hands and I want to get back into like vlogging and making videos for you guys. So make sure that you comment down below the next video that you want to see, whether it's like makeup, skincare, lifestyle, like whatever little chit chat video. I'll be like open to suggestions. So I hope you guys stay safe. Make sure to wash your hands. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'm very excited to be back and I hope to see you guys soon.